Question says, a circular ring of radius 3 cm hangs horizontally from a point 4 cm vertically above the center by 4 strings attached at equal intervals to its circumference. If the angle between two consecutive strings be theta, then cos theta is equal to options A 4 by 5, B 4 by 25, option C 16 by 25, option D is none of these. So first we will draw the diagram. The diagram is circular ring, and from the point P it is hanging at equal intervals. That is point be A, B, C and D, and this point is B, P. So this arc AB is equal to arc BC equals to arc CD, which is equal to arc AD. Then angle between two strings is theta. Angle between the strings is theta. It is given. And O is the center. Then OA is the radius. Radius is given as 3 centimeters. From O to P, from OP, P is hanging vertically above the center. So OP will be perpendicular to OA. So this angle will be 90 degree. OB, if I am connecting, OB is also radius, which is 3 centimeter, and arc AB is equal to arc BC. All arcs are same, so this angle will be 90 degree. It is given that arc AB is equal to arc BC, which is equal to arc CD and arc AD. So therefore angle AOB will be equals to angle BOC, that is equals to angle COD, which is equals to angle DOA, that is equals to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. And PO is perpendicular to side OA. OA is the radius, because this string is vertically above the center. This circular ring is suspended vertically from above the center. So PO will be perpendicular to OA. Then angle POA equals to 90 degree. Now consider the triangle POA. AP square equals to OA square plus OP square. Therefore AP is equals to root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is equals to 5 centimeter. OA is equals to, OA is what? OA is the radius. OA is given, it is 3 centimeter, and OP is the distance. So OP is equals to 4 centimeter. It is also given. So applying this here, we will get AP equals to 5 centimeter. Since the string is suspended from the point P and the arcs are same, we can say that AP is equals to BP, which is equals to CP, which is equals to DP. Now consider the triangle AOB. If I am drawing like AB, if I am joining, consider the triangle AOB. Triangle AOB, we have AB square equals to OA square plus OB square, which is equals to 3 square plus 3 square, that is 18. So AB is equals to root 18. So root 18 is 3 root 2 centimeter. So we got AB value. AB value as 3 root 2. Since AP and BP are same, we have BP is equals to 5 centimeter and AB is 3 root 2 centimeter. Now we will see cosine rule. From cosine rule, we have cos theta is equals to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So applying this values, we have BP square plus AP square minus AB square divided by 2 into BP into AP. So applying the values, we have 5 square plus 5 square minus 3 root 2 square divided by 2 into 5 into 5, which is equals to 16 by 25. So the answer is 16 by 25. So which option is correct? Option C. Option C is correct.